Hello everyone, welcome back to Pavani Teachers. In this video, we are going to discuss basics string concepts. I'm going to give you a little picture on strings, like what is string. I will give the definition, examples, how to create, how to traverse it, like what exactly string in Java, how does it is been created, like what is the use of using strings in Java for this video. Okay. Now I'll tell like what is strings. A string is nothing but the sequence of characters. Like for example, hello, Pavani, how are you? Like this. See here, we have like sequence, like first character, second character, third character, fourth character, fifth character, like that. Like we have the sequence of characters. So this particular part is known as strings. String in Java. Okay, hope you got what is string. And now, like, what types? So, like, strings can be like different types. Like, for example, like all alphabets can be a string. Suppose example again, some A, B, C, D, or Pawnee, like normal names, anything. Then numericals can be like even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything that is written between the double quotes is known as string. So we can have a special characters like uh, ampersand, at the rate, star. Even these can be also the strings, and we can have combination of all of these like Pavani at the rate 1, 2, 3 and star. Even this is also known as string. Like you can have all these combinations also. Like these are the types of strings. Now let's like you may get doubt like why we need to learn strings in TSA. So here I got you. So you can see strings appear everywhere in programming and interview section. For example, palindrome checking. So palindrome checking means we have like certain words where, for example, we have madam. See, if we start from beginning or end, we'll have the same characters M and M, D and A and D. So what like it is like if you reverse it, Madam reverse is the original and the reverse will be the same. Such type of words are known as palindromes. So to do this, we need to know what are strings, how to access, how to manipulate the strings. So reversing the string, character frequency, anagrams. Anagrams is nothing but like, suppose you have two words like eat and ate. See, if you observe, you have the same type of words. That is A-E-T. You have the same three words into different words. So such type of words are known as anagrams. Duplicate characters, we know like repeating of the same character. Longest substring pattern matching. Pattern matching is nothing but like if suppose we have A B C D A B and we need to find something A B C D if this pattern is present in a given string. So such type of problems we use strings and string compression like reducing. Suppose if we have A, B, 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 and we need to write it like how many A's are there, like A3 and B3. Like this is known as a type of compression. Then valid parenthesis. You know, valid parenthesis is nothing but like uh, closing, opening and closing bracket. Brackets should always be like if it is open, then it should be closed. That's it. Valent parenthesis, substrings, two pointer, sliding window. These are the patterns that we'll see in further in advanced DSA. So this is how we need to learn strings in DSA. So let me like explain you how to create a string in Java. Like here we have two types. One is the straightforward that is string str Pavani. This is one method. In Java, string is class. It is not primitive data type. In Java, string is class, and this str is name of the string, and this is the value that is stored in a string. Okay. So this Pavani is called as literal, string literal. Okay, that's it. The other way of creating strings is string class, string object, creating the memory space in a heap using new and string class, and I want to store this is Pavani. So here we are creating a new object. Like this is stored in another heap memory. In heap memory, this will be stored. And this str will be stored in string pool. Hope you got a difference between string pool and heap memory, like creating object and directly assigning to the string returner. That's it. These are the two ways of creating the strings. For this video, I'm going to explain theoretically. Then the further videos will be practical understanding. And then how to access the string. Accessing string in Java should be string name dot char at of 0. If suppose I have string is equal to Pavani, and I want to access the first letter. So then here the same indexing starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same like arrays. So I want to access the first letter in string. So at that time we need to use str dot char at of 0. That's it. And if you want to find string length, then you need to do string dot length of. This will give you the value of 6. Like uh, 6 characters are there in str. Hope you got it. How to accessing the string in like string in Java. Now traversal. It is like same as arrays. You can use the normal for loop in I equal to 0, I less than str dot length. That means string length. We can use this, or if before we have like if we know the length of the string, you can use that also. And I will be incremented. And here I am just gonna access like system dot out dot println um, str dot char at of I. This is one way of introducing the string. The other way is using the enhanced for loop. That is for character, like we are like considering the each character in a string. So character ch, like this you can take anything, any name, ch, and here string name, and here we are going to like print system dot out dot print ch. That's it. So these are the two ways of traversing the string in Java. Now, the main important characteristic is strings are immutable. That means you cannot modify the once the string is created. Suppose I have created string str Pavani. Now I want to like add teachers to this. Then str equal to Pavani plus strings. If I do like this, the string which is stored in string pool will never be modified. In string pool, it will be not modified. But instead, it will create another string variable where this permanent teachers will be stored. So This characteristics is known as immutable. Like you cannot modify once the string is created. If in case I want to remove some s here, again, like you cannot modify. You need to again do it like str pavani teach. Again, this new str will be stored in the string pool. This is the characteristics of immutability in Java. So let's discuss why string is immutability. One is the security purpose because we use strings as like passwords, files paths, URLs, database connections, network information. Immutability helps to prevent unexpected modifications. Hope you got why. To prevent the unexpected modifications. String pooling. String pooling is nothing but like we'll have certain space. Java can use the string literals. If suppose we have two strings, like we are going to create string one is equal to Java and string two is also Java. Then at that moment, string pool will not create two different variables. Like it will create like Java as one literal and it points to the two variables. So it saves the memory here. Hope you understand what Java can reuse the string literals efficiently. This is the point here. Now, thread safety. Immutable objects are naturally safer to share between the threads. Thread is nothing but the lightweight process of it is like request. Hashing. Strings are frequently used as keys. Like all these things will be learned at further in detail. For us, as of now, just like understand why string is immutable. When we use hash map, hash set, like we are going to store the key value, like something key and value things. At that time, if it is modified, it will be difficult to access the strings. So it is immutable. This is why the string is immutable. So yeah, that's it. We have we have overcome this immutable using the string builders, which will be explained further in this video. String pool. As before I said, here the same concept. We have the same variables, like same value with different variables. Then string pool will be stored only one Java and points this Java to string one variable and string two variable. This is nothing but string pool concept. That's it. Now, difference between equal and equals. It is like very important for interviews purpose. Like you need to understand. If suppose we have the two strings, string one is equal to Java, and the other, like I have created one is like this, and another I have created something like string str2 equal to new string Java. So if like in Java, if we do like if str1 equal to str2, then it will give us true because this equal to will check the literal like the value inside the string because the both will be having the Java and Java, so it will return true. But if we check if str1 dot equals to str2, then this will give us false because this equals to is going to check the reference, that means the memory location that is stored here. This string one is stored in string pool, this string one is stored in string pool, whereas this string 2 is stored in dynamic memory, which is heap memory. So both are located at different locations. This is gonna give the false. This is the main difference between double equals and equals. The our next is string builders. String builders are mutable, which overcomes strings mutability. Overcomes string mutability, immutability. Okay, so string builder, like we will create the string builder using string builder class, and we will create the object st, and using new we'll create in a dynamic memory using new on string builder class. Here I'm gonna again create Pavani. So now I want to modify this Pavani to Pavani teachers. It's very simple in string builders using st dot append teachers. That's it. If we print now, if we print st object, like which is the variable that we created, it will give output as Pavani teachers. And here, what is the difference? You may know, you may get the doubt. Even previous also we have done. In previously, once str1 is str1 is created, and if we modified, again the new str1 is being created the second time in the same pool. If we again modify, again str1 will be like new str1 will be created. But here in string builders, once st is created, we can make any number of modifications. This st will same like remains the like same. Like new st will not be created for this string. That is the main difference of string and string builders. So when we are working with DSA, string builders helps in modifications. And the other thing is we have string tokenizers, which I have already been explained in taking inputs and outputs video. String tokenizers is nothing but if suppose str, I have Pavni Teachers YouTube channel. By using this string tokenizers, like it breaks into tokens. Like whenever it sees the space, it breaks the word. So the first token will be Pavani. The second token will be teachers. Like you can split the given sentence into words. So this is the main advantage of string tokenizers. That's it. This is the like theoretical picture about what is string, what are string builders, and string tokens. Like how these are going to be used in DSA. So I think this is for this video. In the next video, I am gonna discuss. We have like methods in string like string string substrings, two upper, two lower. In string builders, we have string append. Like this, we have n number of string methods that are present inbuiltly in Java. So in the next video, we are going to discuss the string inbuilt functions. So stay updated and go like learn thoroughly the theoretical knowledge on the strings and get to know the difference between string builder and string tokenizers and the imports that we need to import while using these concepts. So stay updated. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for further content.